复习2听力测验。1. 辨识句意，选出符合句子描述的图片。
1. The girl usually has some popcorn after lunch. The girl usually has some popcorn after lunch. 2. The naughty dog is digging a hole. The naughty dog is digging a hole. 3. Mom isn't home. She is in the beauty shop. Mom isn't home. She is in the beauty shop. 4. The boy is doing his science report. The boy is doing his science report. 5. There is a slice of cheese under the desk. There is a slice of cheese under the desk.